a modern dragon almost everywhere? Is it a bat-like bird or a ropen? It does not look like those two pictures. Two ropens, one chased by a small bird, according to the lady who recorded them with her cell phone in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is reality. Detailed image stabilization and slowing down the motion. That reveals why this flying creature is unlikely to be any bird. Notice the complex wing flapping, unlike the simpler wing flapping of crows.
As I was traveling north, it appeared over my shoulder in the windshield here of the car, and it was flying in this direction. And it immediately drew my attention because its wings were not flapping like a bird's would. It was rolling kind of like a stingray in the ocean.
That pterodactyl had the approximate same wingspread as what my airplane did.